All right, next step, I'm going to put on the torsion arms that now have the chocolate milk on them. And that's good enough for the lower parts of the tank. As you can see, I've already got C1, C2, and 3 of C3s on there. And they're keyed, so you don't have to worry about where you're going to put them unless you don't want them to be level, which I do. So I'm going to continue on with that, and we'll be back later. And here we are. All right, about an hour I've been working on this, and I got my first completely empty sprue. Yay! At least I don't see any parts left on it. I think they're all gone. It's the first half of step 4 here. Done. And all these torsion bar assemblies are on. And the little shock absorbers that go in there. Come on, focus. What's wrong with you? There we go. See the little shock absorbers in there? Better get some point with. Those are tricky because they got to go on a nub up there. Inside there, you can see where they come through. And between those things down below. So the fit in this thing is amazing. It's just tricky to work with because these tiny little parts. I hadn't even gotten to the small parts yet. These are actually big parts for this kit. So there's another one there, and then 2 more of those shock absorbers up there. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 torsion bars on each side. 7 for the, I guess this is the idler wheel. And the idler wheel right here. And then the torsion, the sprocket will go back here. And that's coming up next. We got wheels and sprockets and all that, but we don't put those on till last because you gotta be able to paint all up under there, and that's why I painted these on the sprocket, on the sprue, so that I could paint the undersides where you can't get to them. And you can see after gluing and scraping the sprue nibs off, they need another little paint, so probably get that. Just hit them a quick spritz of the number 2, or yeah, we're not up to number 3 yet. That's the number 2, the chocolate milk. And number 3, we get into cinnamon crunch or something, U.S. Earth Yellow, for the 3rd color that goes on all the way up through 6 colors, just like the Bradley. So anyway, did a big part of the assembly done. So onward and upward. We'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching. Peace out.